You're here because you're wondering how I bought a YouTube studio with 5 subscribers. And today, I'm going to tell you how. But before I do, I want to just tell you what this channel is. You can obviously tell it's brand new. It's called HowToTechTube. If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel revolving around tech, this can be your home. If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel in general, I think this can also be your home. So subscribe, because not only am I going to show you how I bought a YouTube studio with only 5 subscribers, that's going to be the whole point of this channel, is just to teach how we're doing what we're doing on my main channel, which is Spencer Scott Pugh. So subscribe, like this video for more. Let's give a little backstory to give myself some credibility so you realize that I am worth listening to, I hope. Here's all the credibility that I have. I started on YouTube in 2009, which is 15 years ago, which is wild. It's 4 years after YouTube started. And I started a YouTube channel where I covered songs. I was learning how to play guitar. I was obsessed with Jack Johnson. Music took me into college, where I didn't go to school for music, but I started a band called the band Concord in college. We toured around a bit, which was super fun. And during my time in college, I was a communication studies major, and I was learning on the side how to build websites, how to take photos, digital photos. I was working on videography, learning on marketing skills, which I didn't really know I was learning at the time, but I was learning that. And after college, when the band fell apart and we all got big boy jobs, I dove right into marketing. Digital marketing specifically, and I've been in digital marketing and advertising ever since. So from about 2015, 2016 until now, which is 2025, I've been in marketing and advertising. I've been on YouTube ever since then, whether it's been doing music covers or my main channel now, which is Spencer Scott Pugh, started out as a vlog almost for my small business that I started 1 or 2 years after I left college. I started my own organic social media company, and so I decided to start a YouTube channel to document that process. Over time, that channel turned into videos on productivity and minimalism, and then brands started reaching out after a while and wanting to send me things. I've been obsessed with technology since I was really little, and I was doing more and more tech reviews, and actually right at the end of 2023 I decided to just make this, not this channel, but the main channel, full-on tech review tech channel, which is wild. I still have a 9-to-5 job, which is in marketing and advertising, and I'm doing this YouTube on the side. And at the end of 2023, if you'd asked me if I was going to take YouTube seriously, I would have still said no. It's just a fun side project. But between January 1, 2024 up until December 31st, 2024, I was able to make $71,000 off YouTube. I started the year with 12,000 subscribers and ended the year with 16,000 subscribers. Was able to buy a studio and hire 3 of my friends to work on this really fun project with me. I think what I realized is the bar for making money with YouTube, and I think doing any sort of like influencer kind of stuff, is actually lower than you might think. You don't have to have 1 million subscribers. You don't have to have 100,000 subscribers. I had 12,000, and that audience was split between entrepreneurs, minimalists, tech lovers, productivity gurus, and I was able to make $71,000 off of that audience. I thought that was pretty cool and worth sharing. And I was also seeing other creators who I hold in high regard who make amazing content, and they weren't making any money, and they were making way better stuff than I was. I've been in lots of discussions one-on-one with a lot of creators just talking about, like, are you asking for money for what you're doing? Are you doing affiliate stuff? Like, how are you managing all of this? And there's a lot of just unknown for a lot of content creators out there, especially those doing it on the side. So I wanted to create this channel, starting with this video, to share how I've done it, how I went from not really considering this as anything to be serious about to it basically bringing in more money than my salary that I make at my 9-to-5 job in less than a year. On the flip side, I've gotten to work with a ton of awesome brands, and I think what's most fulfilling about doing this is just being able to talk with CEOs and founders of these like tech startups. It blows my mind. I don't know how I'm able to get in these conversations with them simply because I make YouTube videos. In fact, Up until about 3 months ago, I was in my unfinished basement filming up against a concrete wall that I had painted gray with a single light source and a Fujifilm X-T4 camera. And I was making these little quirky videos. The sound was terrible, and I was able to then the next day get on a meeting with a CEO of a tech startup that's like all the rave right now. And that was super interesting to me, and I love that aspect. And so I have had nothing but fun, honestly, with doing these videos, and I want to share how and how you can do it on this channel. What I'm going to try to do on this channel is, one, I want each video to have like a main purpose or a main point. I want the videos to be very intentional, and I want them to be value packed. So I'm not going to try and just sit here and show you all the cool stuff I've been able to buy because of YouTube, or all the cool stuff that we've got to review. I want to show you like actionable things you can do, and I want to show you like how to reach out to brands, and I want to show you all this kind of stuff. And occasionally you'll see my friends who help work on the channel. Of course, we'll do a tour of the studio, stuff like that. I don't want it to be like super formal. I also don't want it to be like 20-minute long videos of me just fluffing, like just providing no value to you. So anyway, I'm excited for this, and I would love to hear what you all would be most interested in, maybe what roadblocks you're having in content creation. If you have any questions right out the bat, you can put in the comments down below, because I want to be able to answer those in future videos, because the main channel is doing its thing. We've got another review channel, which that's like a testing zone for us almost, and then this third channel is where we can just spill the beans and share everything that we're doing and hopefully help other creators. So let me know in the comments what questions you have about all of this, and I will try and answer them the best I can in future videos. I'm going to try to be completely open and honest on this channel too, and it might be annoying, but I'm definitely going to lean into the fact that I don't have many subscribers, yet I made $71,000 last year, because that's the type of clickbait that people are interested in, and I want to suck them into this channel because I do want it to be helpful. So forgive the clickbaity titles and thumbnails. My ultimate goal is to draw people in and then supply them with value. But anyway, that's enough, I think. I just wanted it to be an intro to the channel. Again, let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all about how to do this stuff. Even if you're not in technology review channel niche specifically, I think there's value here for you. I would ask that you share this with friends and family who might be considering starting a channel or have started a channel, or there's also a lot of Instagram creators who I think should make the jump over to YouTube for a lot of reasons. So anyway, if you know anyone who is a creator or who wants to be a creator and wants to grow that, we're going to just try to share everything that we're doing here and what's working for us and what's not working for us. So make sure to share this video along. Subscribe if this sounds interesting to you. Call us out, call me out specifically on any fluff I put into these videos. I just want to be helpful to you. And yeah, I'm excited. I think I'm going to try to do one video per month for 2025. It's January, so this is the first one of the year. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, please comment down below your favorite type of pickle, and we'll see you in the next one. My name is Spencer. This is HowToTechTube, and we'll see you in the next one.